Hi guys, welcome to Seduce Mentors. My name is Ketan and this video is all about how do you prepare yourself for the next 6 months as far as your CAT preparation is concerned. Now, I'm very sure the first thing that is coming up here in your mind is that, okay, are these 6 months really enough or more than enough to sort of prepare for CAT exam? Now, definitely, yes, the answer is yes. Now, again, I'm not saying this because I'm making this video, but on a very genuine note, 6 months is a great time to sort of get back into the competition and actually aim for 99.99 or actually sort of get one IIM call. If you can check my toppers, right, Seduce Mentors toppers, we have several students who actually started preparation in last 4 months, last 5 months and 6 months, and they've actually made it to top 10 B schools in the country. Now, having said that, I'm counting here 6 months. I'm not looking at 5 months. Why am I counting 6 months? So I'm actually counting June, the whole month, and even the November, sort of the whole month, because your exam is going to be towards the end of November. And as a student, right, what happens? When you prepare for exam, whatever the preparation that we do before the examination, so जितने भी महीने हमारे पास होते हैं, उसका preparation और exam वाला जो महीना होता है, उसका preparation बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क होता है, because during the month of November, your preparation is going to be on 10x level. And that's for sure. That might be because you are excited or it might be because tense. But yes, November is going to be the most productive month as far as CAT is concerned. That is the reason, guys, I'm considering 6 months for CAT. Now, the major purpose of this video is basically, I'm going to give you guys certain tricks, certain tips, which actually helped my toppers right from 99.95 percentile, say Lekhi to 99 percentile, or those who have converted IIM, ABC, Lucknow, Kozhikode, SPJ and MDI Gurgaon. So I'm going to I will be giving you the same strategies. So watch this video till the end, and if you have any sort of question, you can put the comments on the video and I will take care of that. Okay, so to begin with, now you can have a look at this PPT, right? Now, what you see on the PPT is I am actually proposing that you start with a basic from the month of June, because basics की अगर हम बात करेंगे, basics does not mean that you only have to understand what is the formula and how do you kind of put those numbers in the formula. See, the major thing that actually gets into your preparation, I can sort of look at this pyramid. I will kind of break this pyramid into 3 levels. So you can have these 3 levels. Now, the first level is going to be things which are quite important. Okay, things which are quite important. Second thing is things which are important but little bit tough. Okay, and things which are actually tough and let's just say they are least important, or things which are actually least important. You have to focus more on things which are important, the first level of pyramid, and this is where a lot of students actually do not focus on. तो सबसे पहला आपका जो किल होगा सर, वो आपको पकड़ना है important chapters. अब यहाँ पे एक बात आती है जो आपको देखना है, important from CAT perspective. तो अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर हम क्वांट्स की बात करेंगे, क्वांट्स में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है आपकी अरिथमेटिक. DILR की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो DILR में there are so many types of DILR that you have. That is something you need to kind of start building up. Speed calculation हो गया. Then you also need to understand certain DI based on set theory. Certain DI based on permutation combination, right? Certain DIs which are based on filling up the gaps, right? Certain DIs which are based on games and tournaments. ये सब चीजें करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So that's the basic level that you have to start with. Then you move ahead, which is important but it's a little bit tough. Now when you talk about arithmetic, right? Arithmetic में you have TSG, time and work, but it's tough, right? Now अगर वो नहीं जमता है, then you can take a call कि ठीक है, what, ये मुझे नहीं आता है, I can probably kind of keep it aside. उसका strategy मैं आपको थोड़ा देर के बाद बता दूंगा, but yeah, there is a strategy to deal with TSG and time and work also. And talk about the tough level, which is the least important. Just for example, number system. Number system, if you pick up CAT का actual paper, and if you look at from last 4 years, at number system maximum number of questions were 4 to 5. उससे always कम questions आते हैं. Number system is little bit heavy. It takes a lot of time to kind of prepare for it. So don't do that. So that's how you kind of prepare. Because if you are picking up something which is little bit lengthy but not important for CAT, then eventually आप अपना time waste करोगे. So I don't want you to do that. That's the simple thing. Now, so when you start with basic, you need to start with concepts. And this is where we go wrong. See, most of the time आपके साथ ये भी होता होगा कि सर मैंने ये टॉपिक करा, मैंने ये चैप्टर करा, मैंने क्वेश्चन करे, बट मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मेरी कंसेप्ट पे ज्यादा होल्ड है. I don't think I'm conceptually very strong. Now, why do we feel that? We feel that because we have not done them very well. Fine. So my upcoming videos that I'm going to make, I will tell you how do you sort of do very well as far as concepts are concerned. So the first thing is going to be concept. Then comes formula. Now I'm not saying that you rectify or you mug a formula. Understand the formula. Problem यही होता है that we don't understand the formula. And if you are in a process of understanding the formula, then that's awesome. Because I'll give you an example. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस टॉपिक की अगर हम बात करेंगे, या फिर हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे, या अगर हम रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन के बारे में भी अगर बात करते हैं, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन और जो भी टॉपिक्स मैंने बोले हैं, they have different formulas, but we sort of get confused that which formula I need to use at what point in time. तो हमें ये नहीं पता चलता कि यार ये क्वेश्चन के लिए हमको ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, ये टिपिकल क्वेश्चन के लिए मुझे ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, ये कब पॉसिबल होगा और कब वो 100% एक्यूरेसी बनेगा, जब आपको पता है कि अच्छा ये फॉर्मूला इस चीज के लिए बनाया गया है, and for this thing I have to use this formula. The moment you understand concept, your next job is to understand the formula. Once you understand the formula, then you can actually frame or you can actually make that formula by yourself. And even in CAT, whatever sort of questions that you are getting, maybe basic level, maybe advanced level, you will be able to knock them off with the help of formulas and concept. And always remember, your 60% CAT paper is purely based on concepts. See, that's the beauty of CAT. इसलिए मैं बच्चों को बोलता हूँ थोड़ा फोकस करो CAT पे, because CAT में अगर आपका कंसेप्ट अच्छा है, अगर आपका बेसिक अच्छा है, you are sorted for CAT. And that's when I always recommend that you focus more on, as far as your basics are concerned. Now, let's talk about quants. Your first skill for quants is going to be by default arithmetic. मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में बोला है कि अरिथमेटिक के अगर आप देखोगे राउंड अबाउट 12 से लेके 14 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं इन योर कैट पेपर आउट ऑफ 34. तो अगर हम 34 के बारे में बात करेंगे, दैट्स राउंड अबाउट 35% ऑफ क्वांट का सेक्शन. इट्स ह्यूज, more than 1/3. So this is what I want you all to do. That's number one. So take up anything, take up arithmetic, take up algebra, take up modern maths, but start with basic. Okay? So I want you to focus more on basic in the month of June. Now once you're done with that, once you're done with the month of June, what you have to do is when you venture into July, so you can keep a tab कि चलो ठीक है, आपने थोड़ा बहुत क्वांट्स करा, आपने थोड़ा बहुत DILR यहाँ पे कर लिया, आपने थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे वर्बल एबिलिटी कर लिया. In the month of July, your job is to kind of pick up advanced. So basic and advanced should go hand in hand. Now what happens a lot of time is that you will be giving yourself 2 months to finish up with basics. देख ना बोलोगे कि यार अभी मैं एडवांस लेवल करूंगा. होता ऐसा है कि by the time we reach up to advanced, basic we forget. That's the problem. And then we have to revise and then we sort of get frustrated कि यार ये तो मैंने करा था फिर भी मुझे नहीं आता है. वो गलती मत करना. तो बेसिक चलेगा और एडवांस चलेगा. जैसे परसेंटेज आपने करा, आपने प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस करा, आपने जैसे पीएनसी करा, आपने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन करा, राइट. अगर मान लो आपने 5-6 टॉपिक्स खत्म करे हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ जून, देन इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई योर मेन जॉब इज टू स्टार्ट विद द एडवांस लेवल ऑफ द सेम टॉपिक. अब इसमें फायदा क्या होता है, द मोमेंट यू पिक अप द एडवांस लेवल, राइट, यू अंडरस्टूड दैट यस मेरा बेसिक्स हो चुका है, कंसेप्ट्स मुझे आती है. अगर एडवांस लेवल में अगर आपको ब्रेक लगा, विच इज एक्चुअल कैट लेवल इन C2C मेंटर्स, सो आवर एडवांस लेवल इज 100% कैट लेवल. So the moment you feel that कि यार मेरे advanced level के questions बन नहीं रहे हैं, then there is a problem. Then there is a problem of conceptual understanding, basic revision, formula understanding. Then in the month of July, you can definitely go back, get your basics done. And again, arithmetic is important. You can do the basics again and again. But imagine करो June, July or August, half of the August, you did non quants and DILR का basics, and then you went for advanced, and then you understood that you know what, I am not able to get this concept clear. Then going back to basic वो बहुत problematic होता है. That is going to be really sort of troublesome for you. So don't do that. So basic and advanced has to be side by side. तो जून में basic जिसका हो गया, जुलाई में उसका पूरा advanced करने दो. Now what you can do is advanced will not take much time. You can devote 1 or 2 days for advanced. Then in the month of July, it should be advanced plus basic. Then in the month of July you can pick up algebra. So arithmetic basics done. Then algebra basics and arithmetic advanced. Then in the month of August, algebra advanced and probably let's say modern maths basics or geometry basics, right? Always remember this funda, ये मैंने बहुत बार बोला है, there are 3 segments of CAT. If you do them very well, you are sorted. That's AG. In a funny way, I called it as AG. AG means fire. And trust me, these 3 things are actually fire. A for arithmetic, second A for algebra, G for geometry. Even if you do 50% of this, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, even if you do just 50% of this, trust me, you will be able to knock off 20+ questions in CAT by hook or by crook. Absolutely. अगर 20 में से भी सर आपने 15 क्वेश्चन भी कर लिए, you are touching 95 percentile. You are done with the cut-off clearing for all the IMs in the country. Not only IMs, but all the other colleges like MDI, SPJ, and all the other colleges. That's the thing, right? So you can do the same thing for DILR also. Okay, and excuse me, I know I'm sweating a lot. So just kind of bear with me. So guys, yeah, you can do the same thing with DILR also. With respect to DILR, do not start with CAT ka level. Start with very basic level. So you've done with arithmetic, right? In C2C Mentors, we focus more on speed maths. So the new batch that I'm going to start, I will be focusing more on speed maths. The moment you're done with speed maths, you have to start working on the calculation. So pick up the DI based on pie chart, bar graph, mixed graph, K-slate, and start working on the sort of calculation. Because you gotta get 8 sets in CAT, in DILR. 8 into around about 4, so that's going to be 32 questions you will be getting, right? 4 questions each set, bare minimum. Now understand this, out of 8 questions, in a worst scenario, DILR worst scenario, 1 set you are going to get for calculation based. In a good scenario, you might get 3, but 2 sets are going to be there. So you are getting minimum 1, maximum it can be 5, but 1 to 2 sets based on calculation are actually guaranteed. If you are getting 8 questions correct, you are 80 percentile plus in CAT. Now again, here is an exception. I'm just going to put an asterisk out here, which is conditions apply, and that condition applied nothing but level of difficulty. Yes, you have to gauge level of difficulty. इसको कैसे करते हैं ये हम हमारे क्लासेस में बताते हैं, लेक्चर्स में बताते हैं, वर्कशॉप में बताते हैं. सो एलओडी को थोड़ा साइड में रखते हैं, पहले थोड़ा सा बेंचमार्किंग करके चलो कि हाँ, अगर मैं कैलकुलेशन अच्छे करता हूँ तो DILR कैलकुलेशन ओरिएंटेड जो होते हैं वो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ. अगर मान लो मैं केसलेट्स करता हूँ तो एक केसलेट मेरा बनेगा, मतलब आई कैन नाउ डू 3 सेट्स ऑफ DILR. इफ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन सेट थ्योरी, then I can add 1 more set of DILR in my kitty. Something to do with on a case basis, permutation, combination, probability के फंडे use करके you can now then add 1 more. So I want you to go step by step. So you have to go step by step in your approach. Because what happens, I've seen, जब हम बात करते हैं DILR की, most of the time students pick up a very high set of DILR, and that is more disappointing because the moment you pick up actual CAT का DILR का set, then that's quite disappointing because you might not be able to crack it and then you get disappointed कि यार ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. So don't do that. As far as verbal is concerned, I kindly tell you guys that, I mean, it's a request that focus more on reading. I will be conducting more live sessions for you guys where we're going to talk about reading. As of now, you can think of reading. If not, then you can kind of get short marks. Focus on para jumble, para completion, odd one out, para summary. These things can give you 10 marks for sure. Rather 10 questions for sure multiplied by 30. If the level of difficulty is very high, with those 10 questions, you will be close to 80 percentile. With the level of difficulty being higher, you might as well crack 80 percentile. If the level of difficulty is very easy, you will be close to 65 to 70 percentile. So this is now I wanted to base on because RC will take time. Uska improvement zaruri hai, like month on month. But at least para jumble, para completion, para summary, odd one out, these are purely formula oriented. And trust me, if you are a C2C student, or if you want to join C2C Mentors for CAT batch, as far as your VA is concerned, verbal ability is concerned, I can assure you 100% accuracy. All formula based. You don't have to use your brains. Just use the formulas and you're done and dusted. So you have to start with basic and advanced. That's how you need to study eventually. Later on, what you can do is, along with basic and advanced, in the month of August or in the month of September, I wanted to pick up challenger level. So we have these 3 levels, which is basic, advanced and challenger. Basic, if you do very well, then you will be able to crack then you are ready for now round about 85 to 90 percentile in CAT. If you are doing basic plus advanced, you are close to 95 percentile in CAT. And if you are going for challenger, so basic level is a good level, advanced is up to the CAT mark and ZAT, challenger is over and above CAT. So this is where you can shoot yourself from 95 to 99.99 percentile because challenger level is going to be a little bit on a higher level. But again, do you have to do everything in the challenger level? No, just do 30% of topics from challenger level, you are sorted for it. So this is going to be your plan. Now here, you can do the addition of mocks. You can probably start with sectional mocks. Say I'm not a big fan, I will not give you advice saying that full length mock chalu karo. I will never say that to you. Never ever. फुल लेंथ मॉक का अभी टाइम है ही नहीं सर. अगेन जब मेरा एक लाइव लेक्चर होगा उस लाइव लेक्चर में आप आना, मैं आपको बता दूंगा फुल लेंथ मॉक कब और कैसे देने हैं, राइट? बट नाउ गो अहेड विद topic wise mocks and go ahead with sectional. You know what, I'll tell you, even you should not be going for sectional mocks as of now. Your main thing is that let me kill topic. See guys, understand this. See, I know the way we actually function and the sort of things that we are working on, right? We always believe strongly that कितना score आएगा तो मुझे 99 percentile मिलेगा या 90 percentile के लिए कितना होगा. Guys, level of difficulty जो CAT का है वो हर साल change होता है. We cannot really say that कि इतने marks पे इतना percentile मिलेगा. It's next to impossible, right? And I don't really want to fool you by saying that. I don't want to do that. That's the reason I'm telling you, why don't you focus on topic? Because if the topic is done, right, your question is done in the paper. The moment your question is done, what you are achieving at the end of the day, you are achieving marks. And those marks will give you percentage. फिर यार ऐसा भी होगा 100 पे भी 80 परसेंटाइल आ सकता है, 100 पे 95 परसेंटाइल भी आ सकता है, या फिर 100 के स्कोर पे 90 परसेंटाइल भी आ सकता है. We don't know. That is only possible when you sit for the exam. On the D-day you will get to know. इसके बारे में मैं वीडियोस बनाऊंगा. I want to kind of give you a bird's eye view in this video, so we'll not spend more time on that. So what you can do is September, October, November, you can have a little bit of challenge level. तब तक आपका बेसिक पूरा डन, राइट? आपका एडवांस लेवल पूरा डन. इफ यू आर अ सेड्यूसी मेंटर, बेसिक का आपका एक्चुअली रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा एंड एडवांस का आपका एक लेवल खत्म हो जाएगा. That's for sure, right? So this is the way we actually prepared as far as these things are concerned. Now, moving ahead, if you look at this sort of a thing, right? By the month of November, you are 100% done for all the chapters. And trust me, CAT is at this level. All other exams are below CAT as far as level of difficulty is concerned and portion is concerned. So एक बार आपका CAT हो गया, then in the month of November, just because of these basics and little bit of advance, you will be able to knock off NMAT. Then in the month of November, you can actually go for CAT, IFT and NMAT. Fine. In the month of December, you can go for SNAP and NMAT. These two exams, because these are all basic level and calculation oriented exam. That's how you proceed step by step and step by step. And then yeah, definitely when you talk about something which is January, we also prepare you for CMAT, TIS and ZAT. So even these exams are sorted for you. Now let's move ahead. What do you need to do over here? You have to focus on a couple of things, which is number one, this is what we offer. Now when you talk about C2C mentors ka offering, right, what do we do actually? This is the level we have. So we teach you B, which is basic, advanced, challenger. Okay, basics may we focus on concepts, we focus on formulas, we focus on fundamentals, focus on understanding, then strategy. That's the basic level that we start with. We give you all this sort of knowledge. Number one, then we do revision. Okay, then we have doubt solving sessions. And even after that, if you're not able to answer or if you're not able to solve, and if you feel that you're still lacking somewhere, we have, this is called as extra lectures. So what we do, right, all the students, right, let's just say there are 100 students, out of which there are 20 students, they are still struggling. So we will get these 20 students separately and we will teach them again. That's called as extra lectures. So this is the way we actually prepare for CAT and other exams also. Now couple of things are quite important which you will be able to kind of enjoy if you are a C2C student. Number one, we have special workshop for DILR, 30 VRC workshop. We are the only institute who gives 30 VRC workshops, and trust me, you will be able to knock it off. I mean, I have my students who used to score 50 percentile in CAT, verbal, eventually scored 99%. Then we have shortcut workshops to actually increase your speed for DILR, for quants and for VRC also. As far as RC is concerned, I am purely going to teach you RC based on shortcuts. I mean, you might be a little surprised, how come shortcuts are there. So yeah, there are certain things that you need to understand. There are certain strategies for reading comprehension which can help you to kind of score 95 plus or 90, 99 plus. Then we have mock strategy. See, a lot of students do give mock, but they are not able to get that benefit. I've spoken to students, they gave 40 mocks, but they could not, score more than 90%. I also have students, who gave 4 mocks and they scored 99%. I also have students, one of my, like couple of my toppers, right? They actually gave around about 15 mocks and they were able to score 99.80 plus. So what's the difference? Why some people are able to score very well and why some are not? The difference is this strategy. So this is something we will be discussing in our mock program. Then we're going to have special quants workshop, and we also be giving you workshops which are based on, based for non-CAT exam, which is SNAP, ZAT, IFT, TIS, CAT, and which is also going to be your NMAT and MAT and ATMA. Now, moving ahead, I'm launching my CAT 2020 batch, and we are launching this on June 5th. Whatever I just said throughout this video, the entire strategy that I just told you, we actually help or we prepare every student of ours in a safe manner. You can pause the video and you can kind of look at the offering that we have. We're giving you 22 se leke 37 ebooks will be given to you, 8 in your dashboard. This program covers 6 exams. This program goes till January. So we cover CAT, XAT, IFT, SNAP, NMAT and TISC. This goes till the month of January, which also includes profile building, mentorship, 720 mocks will be given to you. All lectures are going to be live, plus the recording of the live lectures will be given to you, and one-to-one mentorship, profile building assessment will be given to you along with this special VRC workshop, right? So this is going to be my offering. I would love to tell you guys is that pause the video and have a look at all the offerings. Moving ahead, mock analysis. This is the portal that C2C Mentor has, and this is going to be your mock analysis. Every single question will be analyzed with the mock platform that we have. It will tell you that how much time you spent on a particular question. What was the level of difficulty of that question? Was it really worth spending that much time on that particular question? So this is what we will be actually, that mocks sort of platform will be able to give you, because mock analysis are going to be really important. And you don't have to do it by yourself. You have bana metrics, bana statistics right there on your system. Just look at, definitely you're done for it. And then if you want to discuss with me, you can do that. That's not a problem. Now, these are our toppers. Okay, these are the C2C Mentors toppers. I have not added a couple of toppers from the list, but yeah, we have certain videos that I've made, right? जहाँ पे हमने बात करी, Tejas is there. Then Srishti का video अभी तक upload, video is uploaded, TWT is uploaded, but I have not added them. So you can sort of understand these guys. Look at Tejas' ka story is quite actually promising. Even for that matter, Pranshu is somebody who actually cracked CAT in like what, around about 2 months. Then there is one more student, Aviral. He actually cracked CAT in just 30 days. Just 30 days, he got 99.81 percentile. Okay, and he's actually going for IIM Bangalore. Same for Manohar. Manohar has converted FMS and MDI. He's choosing FMS. Anjun, XP Jain. Anand scored 70 percentile in CAT, but he scored 99.77 in CMAT. Abro has converted MDI Gurgaon, joining this year. They just scored 50 percentile in verbal ability in CAT, in VRC, scored 99 percentile in CAT ka verbal. There's 99.77 in CMAT, all India rank 70 at 99.95. Sorry, I take this out. 99.95 percentile in CET. Likewise, we also have Dhruv. Dhruv also scored 99.99 percentile in CET. So these are our toppers. You can have a look at them. Rajeshri cracked NMIMS mere at 214 ka score. So these are the toppers that you can have a look at. Pooja ka bhi TWT you have seen. She joined the IIM Koi code. So guys, that's it from my side. If you have any sort of question, you can put the comment on this video, and then we will move ahead with whatever questions that you have. I hope you sort of like this session. If you have any doubts, any concern, any difficulties, you can definitely call us and we will help you. So guys, thank you so much for joining this live session. That's it from my side. If you have any question, kindly put the comment on the video. Thank you so much.